Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to open Task Manager in Microsoft Windows 11. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Task Manager is a very useful program that is a part of all Microsoft Windows operating system. One of the features of Task Managers is that enables us to determine the applications or services that is running in our operating system. There are some times that an application will not work properly. The only way to terminate that application is the use of Task Manager. In Microsoft Windows 11, there are two ways to open or to locate the Task Manager. Here, we have here the search box in the middle. We can just type Task Manager and then it will display the best match here. Just click and then it will open the Task Manager here. So we have several processes: Google Chrome, OBS Studio, Task Manager, Performance, Memory Allocation, CPU, Disk, App History, Startup, User, Details, and Services. That is the first method. The second method with the use of our mouse is go here in the Start icon represented by a window. Right click your mouse and then select here Highlight Task Manager. Okay, so it will display the processes that running. Okay, so let's say for example Google Chrome, we have here 1.2 MB, OBS Studio 173.1 MB. So we have the performance, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, app history, etc. Okay, so we can terminate or run new task here. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to open or to locate Task Manager in Microsoft Windows 11 operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.